Hello and welcome. Online marketing course, The Invincible Marketer. Welcome to this video. My name is Bill Morrow and I am only too pleased to be able to guide you through The Invincible Marketer. It's an online video course and it's perfect. I've been online now for about 9 years, and in that time I've looked, tried to find, made various things, never been completely happy with any one total item until I found this, because it is the complete system. So I have now made my online business, which is in internet marketing. You can make an online business on any subject you want, and that is the beauty of this program. You can decide exactly where you want to go, how you want to do it. You follow the directions, and slowly, by watching videos, taking action on each video as directed, and then going on to the next video. If you make a mistake, whoops, you go back, complete that one, get that one correct, and then go on. Do not do half a dozen, and then you'll end up with a mishmash of, oh, did I do that? What have I left out? No, do one, complete it, go to the next one, and in that way you're working at your speed, the way you want to do it, and you will get the results that you need. Perfect results. Now, the Invincible Marketer is exactly that. You want to do online marketing, you want to do working from home, you want to do make money online. All of these things can be achieved here in whatever subject you choose. The system is laid out before you, but you choose the subjects you want to do. Whether it's horse racing, bringing up children, all of these things, it doesn't matter. Keep fit, you choose the subject, and then you can do it. You can set up a business, a second business after that. Once you've got one running, you can have another business, not a problem. And that can be related or totally separate, it doesn't matter. The subject, everything is entirely up to you, but the details, follow the routine, and it's perfect. Now, I have completed the course, so I am now qualified to tell you how to do the course and to teach you. The teaching is done by Aaron Chen on the videos, but I'm in the background. I can be there to send you more information, to give you support, to help you out on the little sticky bits that you might come across, but there shouldn't be anything, because everything is covered in detail on the videos, and that's what I found. Not a little bit missing here, there. He goes into extreme detail, and it's very good indeed. So that's why I'm so confident in being able to offer it to other people. Now, all you got to do is to get more information about the subject. Click on the link below in the description box, and that will take you onto my email list. Then I will send you details on the emails, and at any time you can respond to the emails back to me and ask me additional questions or whatever you want. Then we have a two-way link in the email system. Not a problem at all. I'm so happy to be able to help you through this. For me, it's ideal. So that's all you've got to do. You've arrived in exactly the right place, right time. The climate is perfect. Everyone wants to work from home. This is the perfect system to be able to do it. So click on the link below and I will be in touch. Take care. Talk soon.